and we are going to continue to learn today about our family. Our vocabulary words are about family members. Vocabulary word number 1 is grandfather. Can you say it again, please? Grandfather. We will spell the word grandfather. G-R-A-N-D F-A-T-H-E-R Grandfather. Next is grandmother. Again, please. Grandmother. G-R-A-N-D M-O-T-H-E-R Grandmother. The next vocabulary word is your Say it again, please. Louder. Father. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R Father. The next one is your mother. Again, please. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R Mother. Next is your brother. Again, brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R Brother. Next is your sister. Louder, please. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R Sister. Again, sister. Next is your baby. The baby in the family. Baby. B-A-B-Y. Again, B-A-B-Y. Baby. The duties and responsibilities of each members of the family. These are your grandmother and grandfather. They take care of us when mom and dad go to work. This is our daddy. Again, can you say daddy? Daddy goes to work. Daddy, again, daddy goes to work. And this is your mom. Again, mom. Mama or mommy. Your mama or mommy prepares food, buy food in the supermarket, and she cleans the house. Next is your sister, brother, and baby. Children. Can you say children? Sister and brother helps your mom or your dad in the household chores. And the baby play along with her sister and her brother. Again, class, we will review the family members. This is your father. This is, louder please, mother. Next picture is grandfather. Next is grandmother. The next picture is, louder please, baby. Again, baby. Next is brother. Again, yes, sister.
Thank you, kids. Take care and stay home always.